In our last video, we covered the basics of boosting your conversion rate, turning more rides into sales, and why having a great e-hailing service is essential. Not every ride will lead to a sale, but picking the right products and setting the right prices can make very big difference. Today, we'll show you how to choose and price your items to maximize sales with these 5 key tips. Number 1, focus on high-frequency items. Sales data shows that the top 3 best sellers are water at 18%, chips and salty snacks at 16%, and gum, which offers high margins. Water is essential, especially on hot days or long rides, as passengers often need quick hydration. Chips and salty snacks are crowd pleasers, easy to eat and satisfying. Gum is a standout with high profit margins, making it a valuable addition. Stocking these top items meets immediate passenger needs and boosts your chances of making a sale on every ride. While less frequent, higher-priced items can still add value, so keep a balanced mix in your inventory. Number 2, price